How do you do, teacher? We come from Group 5 and today our project called Student Management System. In our group, there are 5 members, Jean Pauline, Lon Chanthon, Nu Suvan Kanya, Kondeksa and Ong Srimoj. In our project, we combine it in 3 main concepts. The first concept, introduction. The second concept, objective. And the third concept, interface. Introduction. The student management system undertaken as a project is based on relevant technology. The main aim of this project is to develop software for managing system records. This project has been developed to carry out the process easily and quickly, which is not possible with the manual system, which are overcome by this software. This project is developed using C++ language and hence it provides a complete solution for the student management system.
In the content tool, we talk about objective. The objective of student management system is to allow the administrator of any organization to edit and find out the personal detail of the student and allow the student to keep up to date his profile. It will also facilitate keeping all the record of students such as their ID, name, major, phone number, and date of birthday. So all the information about the student will be available in a few seconds. Overall, it will make student information management an easier job for the administrator and the student. Accepting correct data will result in generating the desired output in correct format without any delay. So this system has been enabled with validation data checkup for the entering the data and before saving it to the particular file. Students will also able to check their data and modify their basic information as per their requirement. Next slide. In the project, we build many function requirements in order to create a user-friendly interface that will assist and encourage users to add students to list, search students from list, remove students to list, edit information out each student in list, and display a student list by follow the double linked list rule and also use with file I/O.
For number 3, interface. Our menu have 7 options that have add more student, say student, remove student, edit information student, display all student, show history, and exit. For option 1, add more student, we also can add ID, first name, last name, gender, date of birth, major, input score, and phone number. For option 2, search student, that we have 3 options. They are search by name, search by ID, and turn back. For search by name, we divide to 2 small options that search by last name and search by first name. Option 3, remove student. We have 3 options too, that they are delete by name, delete by ID, and turn back. For delete by name, we divide to 2 small options, that delete by first name and delete by last name. Option 4, edit. We also can edit student ID, first name, last name, gender, date of birth, major, phone number, score, and turn back to our main menu. For option 5, display all student. In the option, we display all student that we just add also. And option 6, show history. And option 7, we exit our program.
So now let's move to our program. Let's run our program. And now we will see the option that we will make, like add more students, search student, remove student, edit score, display a student, show history, and exit. So now we choose function add more student. Enter the ID of student and the first name of student, the last name of student, and the date of birth of student. After we add the information to the add history function, add student function, we will display the list of the student that we add. So now let's move to option 2, search student. And this one we will divide it into 3 options more, like search by name, search by ID, and turn back. So now I choose search by ID. And now we enter ID to search the student. This is the student that we want to search, and more option. I choose option 3, remove the student. So now I choose option 1, delete by name. Here we have delete by first name and delete by the last name. So I choose option 1 to delete by the first name. And then enter the first name of the student. Now, to make sure that the user want to delete this name, this program will ask the user to delete this name or not. So I answer yes. And now this name above will delete from the list. And move to the next option. Is to option 4, edit score. Here there are many options that we want to edit, like ID, first name, last name, gender. Now I want to edit the gender. I choose option 4. Here are 4 options more. So I choose option 1 to delete, to edit the gender by the ID. And now we need to enter ID to delete, to edit the gender of the student. Now we need to enter the new gender. After that, we will see the list that and see the student and the gender of student will change. And the list next option, I choose option 5 to display other student. And now we will see all the student in our list. And the next option is Um, I chose options 1 to exit this program. Now now we move we want to see the history of of the system that we will use. We go to the file history. And now we will see the function that we used before and the time exactly. Thank you teacher for listening.